Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this episode we're doing something a little different. And here it is. This is my dad's 2006 BF Falcon Ute, and it's done over 1.2 million Ks. What an achievement. It's still going well. So the story with this is my dad bought this brand new. He's been the only owner, and he basically went into Ford and said, I want a car that's going to do 1 million Ks because I'm going to be driving 600 kilometers a day. And sure enough, it's made it. And we're just going to have a look today and see what parts it actually used to get there. Yes, it has had a replacement engine, but the first one made 1.1 million Ks. So let's get into it. So we'll start off with the engine. Of course, it's your classic Barra, and the original BF engine made 1.1 million Ks and it was still running sweet. The only reason it came out was because the cams were pitted and the top end was starting to get a little noisy. So this has been replaced with a 60,000 K VA engine, and it's probably done about 110,000 K since then. Now the only things that went on the original engine were a water pump, a couple of fuel pumps, and a radiator, which for 1.1 million Ks is bloody impressive. But yeah, it's running the BA engine now, and it pretty much had no problems, apart from a water pump and a fuel pump, which is, you know, serviceable items. So next time we'll move on to the driveline. So of course this is running the BTR 4-speed, and it is the original box. And the most impressive thing that makes me giggle about this car is it's never been serviced. It's done 1.213 million Ks without being serviced on the original oil. I don't know why. Personally myself, I like to service them. But you know, in the original book it says something about being a sealed unit, so he went with that. And not only is the 4-speed the original, it is still running the original diff. 1.2 million Ks. Ugh. Oh, it's bloody hilarious, I think. And as far as brakes, it went through 3 sets of brakes, and that was about it. And wheel bearings. Of course it was going to do wheel bearings. It went for a fair few of those. But there you have it, guys. This is my dad's BF Ute. 1.2 million on the body. 1.1 million out of the original engine. 1.2 out of a 4-speed BTR box and a diff. Testament to how Ford built these utes. Alright, so we're in the car too. Here's a funny little thing to show you. So you have, as you can see, it's reading 217,000 and it's been around the clock and it goes back to 0. And the way that you can tell that is when you turn the key on, if you look where the odometer is, you get the 6 zeros flashing 3 times. So that's the way you can tell that it's actually been around the clock. I thought that's pretty cool. But as you can see, she's a little dusty in here. I mean, the interior's held up relatively well. But you can see the same old box, selecting gears, no worries. And as you can see, Dad put a little sticker in there saying new motor in at that many Ks. So yeah, what a machine. It's a Falcon. So yeah, I thought it'd be a fun little thing to put this on the channel. I think it's pretty impressive. Obviously I've seen this for a long time and I've seen the amount of Ks it's travelled, and yeah, it's definitely made me want to go into Falcons the way I did. So good on your old BF. But anyway, I just want to thank everyone again for watching the channel over the year. We've still got Rippin working with the BAXT Turbo and the Territory that's going to be the nitrous project. But yeah, thanks again guys. Until the next one, see you later.